Hey, Paul Stigl again, LifeWise Independent Founding Partner with LifeWise. Are you ready to make some of your own business cards? Well, on this video, I'm going to show you how. Now remember, you don't have to use business cards. You can use emails, postcards, phone calls, or use text any way you want. Just make sure whatever method you use that you definitely direct them to lifewisefreedom.com, or otherwise we can't use this website to help you. And also, very importantly, make sure you have your personal business website that you give them, because I can't direct them back to your website to sign up if you don't put that on the information that you're giving them. So that's very important. Remember, you can even use an index card. All you need is a pen and a highlighter and the index card. So you don't have to use these business cards. So right below this video is a link that will take you right to the Avery business card. So you can highlight it, you can copy and paste it and put it up in your browser, or you can actually go right to the website, as I'm going to do right now. When you get there, this is going to pop up. Now you might have to create an Avery business account, which is fine. It doesn't cost anything to set up an account with Avery. But once you get that done, and you hit edit this file, and then you're ready to make your changes. And all you got to do is click down here at the bottom where your website address is at, and you just change it. You just type in whatever your name is. If your name is a little too big for it, you can change the font over here on the left. There's a little icon over here where it shows the font size. So you can just change it, and that's how you do the front. Then you click to the back, and you're pretty much going to do the same thing. You're going to click on that and erase the current name and number there and put in your own name and number. So that's just how simple that is. So there's nothing to it really. Just follow the font there. So when you get it the way you want, you hit preview up here at the top, and it's gonna say some things are out of line to fix and everything. I would just ignore that as long as you didn't disturb anything besides just typing in your information. So continue anyway. And then over here on the right, it's going to say view my PDF proof, so you can actually see what it's going to look like. And you just open that up, and you can see exactly what it would look like after you make your changes. If you're comfortable with that, then you come over here and you click I approve my design. And then it's going to save the project, and then it's going to take you through some prompts at that point. And you're going to decide how many business cards you want. What I do is I order 250 business cards. It's going to ask you, do you want glossy or matte finish? These cards always look better on the glossy. It doesn't cost anything extra to have the glossy. So I normally do 250 cards on the glossy. It only costs about $35 landed to your house. It takes about 5 to 7 days to get it. So it's just that simple to get some business cards. Now keep in mind, you can go have your own printer, make your own business cards, do anything you want. I was just showing you how to come here to Avery and make some that are already pre-made. As time goes on, I'm probably going to get some other business cards up here to choose from, like using, the coffee. I like the perk, so we might have one with the perk. I might try a couple other different ones to choose from that are already pre-made if you want to use this website. So that's what this is about, is just a way that you can make these business cards that direct you back to this website, lifewisefreedom.com, which is where people may want to, start a business with you, and you guys can all earn some income. Remember, you may never know who you may help by handing these business cards out. We don't know what people's condition is. So have fun helping people while handing out this business cards. If you have any questions, just click contact me for more information and put in your name and email and your message, and I'll try to get back to you as quick as I can. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great day, and God bless.